Welcome to a world where reality meets imagination, where the boundaries of technology are pushed to new horizons. In this video, we're diving deep into the groundbreaking Apple Vision Pro, the ultimate spatial computing experience that will leave you in awe. Unveiling the Apple Vision Pro is like opening a portal to the future. As we unveil this sleek and elegant device, get ready to embark on a journey unlike anything you've ever experienced before. Imagine seamlessly blending the digital world with your physical space. With Apple Vision Pro, it's no longer a dream. This extraordinary device allows you to navigate, interact, and create using your eyes, hands, and voice. Say goodbye to traditional interfaces and welcome a new era of intuitive control. Apple Vision Pro is the culmination of Apple's decades-long expertise in designing high-performance, mobile, and wearable devices. This ambitious creation integrates cutting-edge technology into a sleek and compact form, delivering an unparalleled experience every time you wear it. Let's start with the enclosure, a singular piece of three-dimensionally formed laminated glass that gracefully flows into an aluminum alloy frame. This unique design curves around your face, creating a perfect fit and a seamless blend of form and function. The light seal is a remarkable feature of Apple Vision Pro. It delicately flexes to conform to your face, ensuring a precise fit while effectively blocking out any stray light. With its magnetic attachment to the aluminum alloy frame, the light seal effortlessly adapts to individual face shapes, enhancing both comfort and immersion. The headband of Apple Vision Pro is crafted to provide cushioning, breathability, and stretch. Its ingenious fit dial allows you to adjust the device precisely to your head, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit. Made with a 3D knitted design, the headband features a unique rib structure that adds cushioning, breathability, and flexibility. For those with specific vision requirements, Apple Vision Pro offers Zeiss optical inserts. These inserts can be customized with your prescription, magnetically attaching to the lenses of the device. This ensures precise viewing and eye tracking, allowing you to experience the virtual world with utmost clarity. Power is essential for extended use, and Apple Vision Pro has you covered. The external battery provides up to 2 hours of uninterrupted usage, and when plugged in, it can be used all day long. Encased in sleek aluminum, the battery is conveniently portable, easily slipping into your pocket. It connects seamlessly using a durable woven braided cable. Immersive experiences require exceptional sound, and Apple Vision Pro delivers just that. The speakers are positioned close to your ears, ensuring rich spatial audio that envelops you while maintaining awareness of your surroundings. The result is a truly immersive audio experience that enhances your virtual adventures. With Apple Vision Pro, your eyes take center stage. An outward display reveals your eyes while wearing the device, letting others know when you're engaged in apps or fully immersed in the virtual world. This unique eyesight feature adds a human touch, enhancing social interactions and bridging the gap between the real and virtual realms. Every aspect of Apple Vision Pro's design has been meticulously crafted to create a device that is both technologically advanced and visually stunning. From the exquisite enclosure to the precise fit of the light seal, the comfortable headband, and the customizability of Zeiss optical inserts, every detail has been considered to provide you with an exceptional spatial computing experience. As you wear Apple Vision Pro, you'll be transported to a world where reality and imagination merge seamlessly. Get ready to explore, create, and connect like never before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the excitement of Apple Vision Pro. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking tech explorations. Until next time.